Yo, what is going on, fam? So today I'll be going over two pairs that I'm actually looking to trade in. I just took a buy position on Euro NTD, and this trade was also sent out to all my PIS program students. So currently running in profits. I'm gonna just go ahead and make a brief explanation on why we got in for this buy position. So now coming to the daily time frame here on Euro NTD, we can see how Euro NTD on the daily time frame we had came in and clear out some sell side liquidity that we had in the market here from this equal lows where we see this wicks. This is sell side liquidity where retail traders, well, they got in for buying positions because they saw that double bottom formation. But smart money movements, what are they going to go ahead and do? They're going to go ahead and push lower to stop them out for those retail traders who did not get out once they were already in profits, and come and fill in the empty imbalance that we left behind from smart money movements as well, and test into what it is into his daily commission price candle that we have right in this area here. Now that's one of the big reasons why I got in for that buying position, just because of the daily confirmations that we had going on. Now coming into lower time frame, we could gather more information and more confirmations. So let's go ahead to go to the forward time frame here. So here in the forward time frame, we could see how market has came in and filled in its 4-hour imbalance area that we had right there prior in the market for Euro NCD. Market came right into it, got perfectly rejected one time in this candle, and currently for the second time on the current candle that we have in the forward time frame, creating that perfect reaction to the upside and currently running in profits. So that's why we got in for that buy position there, and into the 1-hour time frame, we could start noticing some more areas that's just been confirming that this is just a very, very strong area to get in for a buy, which is why I decided to get in for that buy and send it out to my PRERECORDED students. As you can see here, we also have this 1-hour breaker where market had broken structure to the upside, where it used to be a downtrending structure. So my stop loss, it is a bit wider just because it is a Euro NCD pair, so it's a more volatile pair that to be trading in. So my stop loss is around at 41 pips. Take profit, I do have 122 pips. But I do believe the market should continue going higher to come and clear out some highs up here where we have some buy side liquidity. So the reason why we had this first take profit here is because we would be coming in and filling this fair value gap, this empty gap that we have in the market. So which is an empty gap that we have in the market, is an area with a big impulse, which creates market to retrace into and fill in. On top of that, we would also be testing inside our 1-hour accumulation price candle that we have right there, which is an area that we should start seeing some rejection to the downside, maybe some sort of retracement before we even get in for the next buying position. So, I mean, there we have it. This is why I got in for a buy position, risking 41 pips to get 122 in total. I do have 2 take profits. This is the first take profit. The second take profit, I do have it open just in case we do keep on shooting higher. So now the next pair that I was looking on for tonight was GJ. I am also going to be getting in for buying positions. So I actually have a buy limit on GJ. The reason why is because we take a good look at the daily time frame. I had explained this to my students at PPC, which is Pittsburgh Club. The market had came in and filled an imbalance before this, and also this empty gap, testing into the daily accumulation price candle, which created this beautiful rejection to the upside. Came back in and started mitigating within that 50% of this most recent accumulation price candle that we have right here, this last bearish candle before the big impulse up. Respected that 50% of it and started a new rally to the upside. Now, what is that giving me? It's getting information that GPJPY should continue being higher to the upside and keep on rising to come and clear out this buy side liquidity that we have right here where retail traders got in for selling positions. Now, just coming into the forward time frame, we could start getting more confirmation as well. All I'm waiting for is for market to come and retrace into this forward accumulation price candle, which would be the 1-hour accumulation price candle and 15-minute accumulation price candle as well, which would be this candle right here. Have that retracement either during this London session and have a New York impulse to the upside, which right now on the 1-hour time frame would also be filling in this imbalance that we have right there. That's currently right now when market's coming bearish in the market to come in and fill in that imbalance, which it should fill it in because in the 15-minute time frame is a major imbalance area that we would be testing inside our commission price candle here to get in for some short positions. So with that being said, I do have a buy limit for GPJPY. Those are the reasons why I have placed that buy limit. My first take profit, I do have you cloud this equal highs here, which is right at around 86 pips. Second take profit is higher once we fill in the imbalance. And just in case you come in, clear out, come into that commission price that hasn't been tested before. Now we could also add a third take profit, which would be all the way up here to clear out that buy side liquidity, which that would be well total amount of from entry point. Let's see, like around 154 pips. But I definitely want to secure more profits here in that commission price candle because we could see some rejection to the downside after that before we see a next position to get in for buying positions. So that being said, I mean those are the only two pairs that I'm taking a look at for tonight's selling session. Just Euro NCD for the buys that we have going on, that we are actually running some pretty decent profits right now. Very up and running in profits. Beautiful, beautiful entry that we had on Euro NCD right here, already running up 10, 12 pips in profits. As I said, this is a very volatile pair. So let's see how we do on this pair, which is I do believe I should hit take profit. And GPJPY, we should see this little retracement to the downside. If not, well, we missed out on it. Me personally, I don't like chasing trades. So if I were to get in right here, right now, I mean, we would be chasing it from the main impulse that we already had down here. We would be chasing it for 34 pips. So I'd rather wait, be patient. Patience is key in the markets. You always want to wait for that right area to get in. Don't want to get greedy. Don't want to over trade. So as long as you just have one good trade a week, that should be enough. 1, 2, 3 good trades a week, that's enough, right? You don't want to over trade or overdo it. So just make sure to always take notes, even if it's winning or losing trade, so that way you be learning from your mistakes as well. So yeah, right now it's just Euro NCD. We have the alarm position and GPPY waiting for that buy limit to be activated. So with that being said, just be patient, and I'll see you guys in next video or in live session. If you do join PPC, or if you're already in PPC, I'll see you guys in the next live session. So have a great night and happy trading to y'all.